Tilray Brands, ticker TLRY, is up 10% as we're recording this video. What are going to be the key support and resistance to be paying attention to? So we are seeing some strength in the stock, so we will cover the supports first. We do have one at 325 right now. Again, that could be a support resistance as we're very close, so it just depends how we react. But if we continue to fall, we have $2.90, $2.55, and $2.40. These would be all the key supports where if you're long bias on a stock like this, we could look to buy these up to continue to play the upward trend. However, these aren't oversold areas. So again, if you're looking for kind of a long-term investment, or if you're like me who is a reversal trader, these usually aren't going to be levels we look to buy because the stock is still considered extended at these levels. However, if the stock does continue to go up, and this is going to be really where my main trading opportunity is. If we continue to go up, we have a resistance at 342, and we actually have only one other resistance after that at 390, which would be our final resistance, which is our third deviation from the 1 year time frame. So we are actually having the Tilray alerts go off now because we are squeezing up to this third deviation. So again, two resistances that I'm mainly paying attention to. I'm short bias coming into these, so again, you'll probably see how it's reacted to this 342 after the videos come out. What's great on a stock like this is, again, we do have options. So what we can do, even though it's hard to borrow, just means it's going to cost us more to short it. We can short the shares and we can buy calls. The reason we do this is we can play the downside move on Tilray while having defined risks to the upside. Because if we trade it without defined risk, you can easily blow an account on one trade. If this stock did some short squeeze, again, if you're shorting, say, 1,000 shares overnight, it does 100% move overnight. Not much you can do to really define that risk if you haven't bought that call to define that risk. So again, that's why if we're trading these, I like playing them to the downside, but I'm always buying calls or some sort of protection to define that risk because we will never trade anything with unlimited risk. So again, looking short at 342, 390. Targets would be 325, 290, 255 going to be those key supports or slash targets on the downside.